Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. How's everybody doing today? What is today? Today is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. Hey everybody! Okay, so guys, I made this I made this on September 15th, guys. And I forgot totally to show you guys. And so I want to give a big thank you to Kathy, Kathy Marzinko, for pointing that out to me. She watched, I had put up 2 little clips of my goof up on this, and she commented a few weeks ago saying, did you ever get it finished? And what's today? So today's October 20th. That's like over a month ago. Yeah, I finished it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kathy, for putting that comment on my little. There's a little. Maybe I'll put it here. If I remember. You know me, always. I'll put it here if I remember. Yeah, if you didn't comment on that little, just little short clips of when I was goofing up making this particular item, I would have never shown it to you guys. Anyway, you're saying to yourselves, well, what is it? Okay, so this is a bag-a-day crochet tutorial, and there you go, guys. It is, it is tutorial number 731, Crochet Quick Easy Infinity Scarf. She used a number 6 weight yarn and a 10mm hook. I used a number 5 bulky and a 9mm hook. I don't think I have a 10, that's probably why. Right? Yeah. And I didn't have enough yarn. Well, actually, no, because, well, okay. So it turns out I did have a chunky yarn, which I'll get to later, which, oh, Lisa, pay attention. But I didn't want to make it in this. Okay, so get back to your story, your original story. I used Loops and Threads Barcelona yarn in the color Mocha. So isn't that, look, guys, look. Isn't that pretty? And you see all the textures. You know me, I'm a texture girl. Love me the textures. We've got some, what do we have here? We got some like bobble stitches, and we have, oh, my hair everywhere. I'm always, how many of you guys are constantly crocheting your hair into your projects? Hello, me. Oh my God. I'm shedding like a, whatever dog that is that has lots of sheddy hair. Shedding like a sheep. No, sheep don't shed, do they? But it kind of it doesn't rhyme. Whatever, guys, get on with it, Lisa. Okay, so, front posts, I think. Yeah, anyway, I love it. It's the infinity scarf. Yippee. So I made this. I'll take it off for you guys. There it is in all its glory. What do you think? It's pretty, eh? These are not my colors. These aren't. Who was like, I wonder if this is something that Debbie gave me. I can't remember now. Yeah, these are my colors, but I really love it because I'm like, yeah, I really love it. Yeah, what do you think? Well, I do love the teals. I'm not an orangey girl, but it works here, doesn't it? I can handle browns. There. Oh yeah, and it's nice because it covers, for me, it covers my shoulders a bit. Oh yeah. There, it's kind of like a shawl-ish kind of thing, but it isn't. Yeah. And I guess with infinity scarves you're supposed to, I don't know how to wear infinity. I usually don't make infinity scarves because I really don't know how to wear them. There. Oh, there you go. Am I doing it? Oh, look. Oh, yeah. Talk to me, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at me, eh? Brr. Yeah, because it's cold down here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's nice, eh, guys? Yeah, that's oh, I like that. Oh, yeah, that okay. Oh, wait. Oh, hello. Now we're talking. Oh. Okay. Okay, hello. Hello, do you see it? Oh, hello. Oh, yeah. Hey? Hey, guy. Oh, I never tried it on like this. I made it and forgot all about it. So let's check out the back then. What's going on back here, guys? Hey, hey. 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 Look at me. Oh, yeah, that will keep you warm. Oh, yeah, I like this. Oh, man, now I want to make another one. I never really put it on. Hey, guys. Oh, yeah. So you don't need a hat, you just got your... Oh, yeah. Oh, look at me. Oh, what do you think, guys? Hey, that's great. Oh, I love it. Well, good thing. Oh, thank you, Kathy, for reminding me that I didn't make a video on it, because I made it and I just put it aside. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, so she used the number 6 weight yarn and a 10mm hook. I used a bulky number 5 and a 9mm hook. Hey, that's cool. Okay, and oh, then you've got, because oh yeah, then you can put it on your shoulder. Where's my, oh, this is my, okay, I gotta hide that, right, guys? Is that the back? What's going on? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Hey. Oh boy, I am an idiot sometimes, aren't I? You guys are saying sometimes. Oh, that's cool. Okay. I thought it was cool like this. I thought it was cool like this over. Oh, yeah, baby. No, I've got it. No, there. What am I doing, guys? Okay. Oh, okay. I thought this was going to be a quick video. I'm busy looking at myself in the mirror going, oh. Hey, I like it. I'm going to make another one. Yes, I am now. That has so many functions. Okay. Thanks, Crystal. That's cool. Okay, this is cool. I love it. Because you know me, I love my textures. Hey, I really like that. Now, look at all the possibilities with this. Okay, get that on your hook, guys. Okay, it's, I'll put the link below. Hey, I love it. That's funny. Thanks, Kathy, for pointing out I never showed this off. Oh, that's friggin' wild. Okay, so, moving on. Then I made a whole bunch of other stuff in between, after this. Anyway, then she posted a video about, yes, I haven't sewn in my ends. Why? Because I'm going to tear this baby apart. Why? Not because I don't love it or anything. It's because I'm a dumbass and it doesn't match with this. But anyway, it's Bag a Day tutorial number 738. The Crochet Hat, Crochet Beanie. She had made it, but she had done another tutorial before with using a number 4 weight yarn, and this time she used a bulky yarn. Well, I'm an idiot, and I didn't have bulky yarn. And, well, yeah, I had it for this, right? But then that was it. And then she put out a new video for bulky yarn. I didn't have any. So, I was gifted, I love this chunky from one of my American friends. And, yeah, and it doesn't on the, how come on this, guys? You guys in America, how come it says I love this chunky? I guess we are just supposed to know. Well, sorry, I'm newbie. I'm new. I guess I can't say I'm a newbie anymore, can I, guys? But anyway, I still classify myself as a newbie. But anyway, it's a chunky. It's not a bulky. So I believe a chunky is like a number 6 weight yarn and a bulky is a number 5. Anyway, but anywhere on this, it doesn't say the weight of yarn. And you know how you get some yarns, like some 4 weight yarns are really thick and other 4 weight yarns are like really thin. So I need it spelled out for me, the number, you know, 4, 5, 6, whatever. That's what I need right now. But I guess I should have, I don't know, it didn't seem all that much. But I didn't have a number 5 bulky to compare it to because I've already worked it up into this. Right? So, you know, anyway. So this is, color is City Beat. So I made her hat using a chunky, which, duh, Lisa, it's going to be way bigger. So using a 6.5 millimeter hook and a chunky, excuse me, I'm burpy. You're supposed to use a bulky, not a chunky, guys. So that's why it's so big. So, there you go. So see, yeah. See how big my hat is? But you know what? You know what? It'll keep you warm. So there you have it. I made this. Yeah. But it needs to be, yeah, I needed to use a bulky, not a chunky. So I am going to, because this one, okay, and the real reason why I am going to, like, just yank this sucker out is because, guys, it is so quick and easy. This tutorial is so quick and easy that I really don't mind. And you know me, I hate pulling anything. I don't know, I might keep this. Listen to me now, eh? Hey, I might keep this, why not? Oh, just a... Hey, look at that, it's got, like, oh, look, if I did, look, it's actually, oh, wait, I might keep this. Just a plunk on your head, why not? I don't know. This may get all torn apart, it may not, I don't know. I got myself a little brimsy whimsy. Look at my brimsy whimsy. You see? You guys see this or not? I got a brimsy whimsy. So I don't know. Whatever. But I have no real issue ripping this all apart and making more of these because it's quick, it's easy, it's fast. Get it on your hooks, guys. Yippers. So, yeah. And you can't really see, with the yarn I use, you can't see the texturing. I mean, it feels, wow, it feels snuggly warm though. Hey? Feels snuggly warm. But yeah, see, it's really big. Yeah. It feels so snuggly and warm though, guys. Oh, burr. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, but see all the textures in it? Which you really, because of the yarn I used, you know me, to me, I think if you're doing textures, you need to stay with a yarn like a solid. For me anyway, I prefer like the solids to show off. I mean, yes, if you get close to this, you can see all the different stitches. You know, you can see them. Well, now I'm really liking this. Now I don't want to rip it apart. I don't know, guys. Maybe I'll just sew in my ends. And there's my plunker dunker hat. Yeah. What do you think? Whatever. Oh, I'm just rambling now, aren't I, guys? Okay, so that's my story of the day. I've got a lot of other finished. I really like this. This is quick and fast, guys. Seriously, quick and fast. Especially using, well, a bulky yarn. So I used a chunky, so it went really fast. Oh, God love me, eh? Because nobody else will. Alright. Okay, so there it is. Cool, eh? Yeah. Oh, I love it now. I really love it now. I only have this much left. No, I'm gonna tear it apart. Yeah, I gotta tear it apart. Yeah. The more advanced I get, I'm sure I could follow her tutorial and stop somewhere and not make things so big. But I'm not there yet, guys, that I don't know. Right? I'm sure I didn't have to make enough, you know, you go bigger and bigger and bigger, but I'm not there. I don't know. I have to follow people's tutorials and do what they do. And this is my own damn fault. I have it's a chunky yarn. It's a big, thick yarn. Chunkier. It's not bulky, it's chunky. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, guys, what do you think? Oh, I love this. I love it even more now. I didn't even realize. So thank you, Kathy, for pointing that out to me in that little video clip of how I showed off all my... Oh, I was goofing up on... Do you guys remember how much I was goofing up on this in the beginning? Oh, what was I doing? Well, I forget now. That was over a month ago. I can't remember yesterday, let alone a month ago. But I made it after I figured out it was my fault what I was doing wrong. Duh. Anyway, I love it. I love it. So now I gotta get making some... Oh, I don't need a hat with this. I've already got my built-in hat, don't I? I already have my built-in hat when I go... Whatever I did earlier, guys. What did I do? There. Oh, yeah. Little Red Riding Hood is on the loose. Ha! Okay, everybody have a great day. Now I'm just getting... Oh, yeah. Okay. I've got a lot more to show you. This is just going to be hopefully a quick video. I've made a few other things that I think I've shown on Instagram, and I don't know how... I'm just new to Instagram, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm such a newbie. Yeah, because I'm a person that I need to use my laptop. I'm not a cell phone person. So, yeah, so I'll post stuff to Instagram, and then I don't know what I'm doing because I'm on my laptop, and with Instagram you need to be using your cell phone, and I don't use my cell phone. So, if I'm ever ignoring you on Instagram, it's not on purpose, it's because I don't understand it. And I don't know, well, I gotta figure it. Oh, okay, I'll shut up now, guys. I'm just rambling. Okay, that's it, that's all. That's it. So my daughter is safe in the UK now with her husband. And their dog, Winston, just flew out. Yeah. Their dog, Winston, just flew out and landed there yesterday. So, yeah, because the airlines have a skeleton crew, like I told you in one of the videos. So they only fly out certain days. So they had to leave their dog here with his parents. And then they put him on the plane. So he's there. So hopefully she'll be putting up videos soon. Chantel, if you're watching, we need videos from you. Hello. Yeah. Still don't know the sex of her baby yet, guys. Can't wait. Can't wait to find out, and then I'll be attacking you with either pink or blue baby stuff. I won't, no, but I'll keep crocheting stuff like this, right? Okay, I'm babbling now. Everybody have a great day. See you later. See you when I see ya. Get these things on your hooks, guys. Love y'all. Bye.